Hello class, welcome to week 7 of Psych 480. So as always, make sure you check the announcement when you first enter into the shell. Remember, this is where I post helpful documents, videos. Last week, this past Monday, I posted a video about Signature Assignment 2, which is due this week in week 7. The final portfolio and the creative assignment, which are due at the end of week 8, so the end of this class. So make sure that you view this video that hopefully will be helpful for you. So let's go to week 7. We're wrapping up things, and as always, you can look at the week at a glance, and here you will see a quote, the relevancy of the work that we're going to be doing throughout the course of this week, the course learning objectives that are connected to this week, and then your checklist of what you're going to be doing. Remember, those items that are in blue are those items that are graded for this week. And then there's a component that's a continued task to help you throughout the course of this week. So let's go back here, and again, you'll see some checklist about writing your reflection of your volunteer experiences. This is part of your signature assignment 2 as well. Remember, there's all these non-graded work portfolio experiences that we've been asking you to do each week to help to really build up your future signature assignments. And continuing to work on what psychology means to me project, which is due at the end of week 8. For your graded work, we'll see down here, if you go into the assignment section, you have your discussion board. Your initial post is due Wednesday by midnight, and you are to respond to at least 3 peers Sunday by midnight. This week we're talking about psychological theory again, and the important thing to note is it's really about connecting to your real life applications. I know we've been talking about it on and off throughout these weeks, but that's because it's one of the main learning objectives, program learning outcomes that we were hoping that you achieved in Brandman. And then, of course, thinking beyond the basic skills, the knowledge, and how you can apply this to your life, whether it's in education, homework, volunteer, etc. Down here, you're going to find the link, the Turnitin link. This is the signature assignment, and what you're going to submit your signature assignment number 2. So let's go back to week 7 really briefly. You will note several activities folder in the activities folder. So you click here. There's a TED Talk on volunteerism and a volunteerism survey as well. So this is going to help you to write the section within your signature assignment number 2 about volunteering. So very briefly, that's all that you'll find in the week 7 module. But very briefly, remember to look at more information about the signature assignment 2. You can go to course information, scroll all the way down here in the assignment section. You're going to see signature assignment number 2. And if you click on the instructions, it's going to come to this page that breaks down what's expected of you. So again, if you've been following the exercises, you've already completed a lot of this. The first part is reflecting upon the program, so different coursework, and in each section talks about what's expected for these various reflections and the amount of words as well. So make sure that you're paying attention to how much each reflection should be. This is where you have your annotated bibliography as well in part 1. So read through that, and hopefully you'll notice back here again for week 5, there's the annotated bibliography assignment that wasn't graded, but there's information about this here in the modules. So that's part 1. Part 2, this should be helpful with the interview paper that completed. You're comparing the KSAOs of the O-Net job search that you did in your own skills. So you're going to have a lot of what you did already within the interview assignment. You're going to make sure that you add this table. And one place that I wanted to highlight as well is that you need to have a resume in this section as well. So you're going to have the comparison of the O-Net job and then your skills, the interview transcript, reflection of your volunteer work in your community, and the resume. So down here at the bottom, you'll hear about how you're going to reflect upon volunteer work. So this is due at the end of week 7. You have your discussion board and your submission of signature assignment 2. So hopefully, once you've completed this, you'll be nearing completion of your final portfolio. This is to be submitted at the end of class. Whenever I've made any sort of comments on your papers, whether it was your mission statement, your signature assignment 1, your interview, your signature assignment number 2, please work to correct those different areas that I wrote a comment on, because you're going to note, let me go down here really quick, when we look at the portfolio and the grading rubric, that I do want to make sure each of these areas is addressed. So if you only gained 7 or 8 points on your mission statement from the signature assignment 2, if you're able to correct those different things that I said, then you can possibly gain the full 10 points. And the same thing goes with any of these other assignments that we did as well. So please let me know if you have any other questions. I hope this is helpful, and I look forward to our final 2 weeks of class together. It has been a pleasure. Thank you. Reach out to me as you need, okay? Bye-bye.